Stephanie's here. She's going to...
I know. We can always count on Steph. Steph, have you been able to find out what's going on here?
Okay, guys, I got as good as we can get right now. So what's been happening is that a sprinkler system was tripped in a non-public area, which then triggers what we're seeing and hearing with the flashing lights and the fire alarm. They have to evacuate, obviously, because of protocol. The fire department has been called, and they know that everything is okay in terms of safety. The only thing we're waiting on now is, will we continue to play? There's been no official call if the game will be continued after they resolve this alarm that you're still hearing and seeing. I will continue to try and get further updates, guys.
Yeah.